In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and change your currency on Amazon. So to do this for yourself, what you're basically going to be doing is, first of all, you're going to be making sure to go ahead and choose the correct region for yourself. Okay. So whatever region you have, according to that, it's going to show you the pricing. So currently, as you can see, it's going to show me the pricing in USD. So how do I change this for myself? Now, one of the ways is that you can come over here to this section. And once you're here it says currency settings. So just go over here and choose whatever currency you want to go ahead with. So let's say I want to go with my country's currency. Okay. So let's go ahead and choose that. Once you've done this, click on Save Changes. Once you click on Save Changes, you come back here and look at that. The currency has now changed. So that is pretty much about it. That is how easy and simple it is to go ahead and change your country's currency. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.